Word. Hunt. Poised. 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 Meaning: being ready or prepared to do something. Sentence: I am fully poised to perform well in my exams. Comment. Comment your own sentence. Today's term. Idiom. Pass with flying colors. Meaning: to pass something very successfully. Sentence: she studied hard and passed the test with flying colors. Comment. Use this idiom in your own sentence. Thanks for learning with me. See you in the next video. Stay connected and keep up the great work. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. Must like and share. You can also email at. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.